Hi guys, let's talk about a few essential business verbs and nouns. Verbs: accept, admit, borrow, calculate, check, count, decide, employ, improve, maintain. Order: pack, raise, respond, split. Advice: brand, change, customer, deficit, distribution, environment, experience, factory, growth. Improvement: invoice, knowledge, permission, risk. Accept: I accept full responsibility for my decisions during our collaboration. Admit: airline companies admitted last week that the pandemic crisis is affecting business travel. Borrow: my company had to borrow the money from the bank for the new equipment. Calculate: did they calculate how long the project will take to complete? We need it as soon as possible. Check: I would like to know how much money do I have. Could you check my bank balance, please? Count: are all the votes counted yet? Decide: the top manager decided to sell this company. Employ: how many people can we employ as assistants for the marketing department? Improve: the company has improved a lot of conditions for its workers this year. Maintain: the roads in my village are not maintained at all. Order: the leader ordered him to leave the conference room. Pack: pack these documents and send them by post. Raise: our director plans to raise our salaries. Respond: you have to respond to the president email today. Split: the company's members split down the middle regarding the new leader. Advice: now let's talk about the nouns. So advice: the agent issued an advice of sale regarding our headquarters building. The noun brand: we had trouble deciding which brand to build. Change: this magazine costs $16 and you gave me $20, so here is your $4 change. Customer: Mrs. Smith is a satisfied customer. She always buys from us. Deficit: my company reported a deficit of nearly $1 million. Distribution: what are the distribution costs for these resources? Environment: I work in a very dynamic environment. Everything can happen. Experience: do you have any experience in marketing? Factory: our food factory is top 10 in the country. Growth: the growth of the Romanian economy is unlikely to happen this year. Improvement: after all our efforts, we had a slight improvement in the economy. Invoice: the retailer must issue an invoice for all the goods sold to the company. Knowledge: do you have any knowledge in computers? Permission: you will need official permission to build that house near the lake. Risk: we may have a security risk. Please pay attention to all the data you give through the internet. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more video lessons and give us a like.